As the host of iStinkAtRomance.com, a lot of people ask me how they can have a happier relationship. Here are my top tips. 1. Decide to be happy. Hey, you are a couple. You might as well be a happy one. Look for things to celebrate in your relationship. 2. Look each other in the eye at the start of each day. Say I love you and share a 5-second kiss. 3. Hang out with other happy couples. Misery loves company, but misery is not your goal. 4. See the best in each other. What you focus on grows. None of us are perfect. If you are looking for faults, you will find them. Look for what you love in a person, and you will find even more things to love about them. 5. Choose your words with care. Mean comments and criticism cannot be unsaid or unheard. 6. Don't forget romance. I am talking to my fellow men now. If you are like me, you used up most of your best romantic ideas in the first few dates. You know she needs romance, but you don't know what to do about it and she won't tell you. Yeah. Been there. Come visit me at iStinkAtRomance.com and I will give you free ideas on how to romance her as well as reminders on important dates. And finally, for the women we love, be gentle with us. We are doing our best. Encourage us in our romantic attempts and give us big hints. We love you. Really. We do.